Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today's tutorials, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom t-shirt through sublimation, okay? In which you can turn your passion into profit. So first, today, I'm gonna speak a Taglish, which is Tagalog in English, so I can fully express or share my ideas to people watching like me or everyone, okay, who can relate this video. So, first of all, may tanong lang ako, kung isa ka Filipina na lumapit dito sa US or na immigrant na gusto magkaroon ng extra income, kasi guys, pag nandito ka sa US, hindi ka agad-agad makakatrabaho. Kailangan mo muna mag-process ng papers or anything, kompletohin yung mga ng rules ng US para makastart ka ng work. Or pangalawa, nandito ka na sa US, kumpleto ng papers mo, pero hindi ka pa rin makakatrabaho kasi nga may family ka, may anak ka na babantayan. Or pangatlo, like income ka na sa US, tapos gusto mo pa rin magkaroon ng extra income. So guys, nasa tamang video ka. So panoorin mo ito hanggang dulo kasi I promise you guys, this is very experienced. And ito yung experience ko dito sa US at i-share ko ito sa inyo for free. So don't hesitate to finish the videos and hopefully you will learn some knowledge and apply it guys to your real life. Okay? Okay guys, so ready na ba kayo makita kung ano yung mga materials na kailangan para magkaroon tayo ng sublimation t-shirt which turns into income? So okay, now let's go and let's start. Guys, I will show you what are the materials that we need para sa sublimation, okay? So we need the printer, the Epson, and then we need of course we need the sublimation printer, okay? Intended for sublimation. And then we get the Epson. This is a regular Epson guys from sa printer ko. Pero pinalitan ko siya kasi nga kailangan ko ng sublimation ink. Kailangan mo ng specific ink intended for sublimation, not regular ink, okay? So, and then we need this is the ink that we need, the sublimation ink. So I have a Epson printer, so I use the Hippo sublimation ink. Hippo sublimation ink, not regular ink. Okay? And then of course, we're gonna need the sublimation paper. I used the 125 gram 8.511. Okay, so it depends on you guys, you can choose different sizes, but this is what I use. Sublimation paper, dito nyo ipiprint yung design nyo, okay? And then this one, the gloves, kasi this is the heat resistant gloves. Kasi mainit ngayon guys, pag na-transfer nyo na, pag na-started nyo na lutuin yung design nyo, kailangan nyo to para i-peel off. And then, the heat resistant tape. Ito yung ginagamit nyo guys. Wag yung regular na tape kasi mag-shaky yung result ng print nyo, masisira yung design, magiging ghost or shady, hindi magandang kalabasan. Okay? And of course, the lint roller. Kailangan nyo muna tanggalin yung mga dust ng damit para clean, malinis yung gawa. Okay? And then, so sa sublimation guys, we need a light t-shirt, light color. Okay? So this is the color that I choose, light pink. And also guys, we also need the butcher paper for sublimation, okay? We need para to protect ang inyong t-shirt guys, or you can also use Teflon sheet, okay? Butcher paper and Teflon sheet. I'm gonna start our heating press, okay? And of course guys, our mannequin, but this mannequin is only optional. I choose to have one because I don't have a model in here. Okay, so this t-shirt, the 100% polyester t-shirt, okay? Okay, now guys, let's create our design using Canva apps. So I'm just gonna forward some of them and labasan guys, you need to mirror your design so it will look like this. Okay, you should mirror them. Make sure guys, lagyan nyo na I'll put a teflon sa loob. Put it inside the shirt. Measurement, okay? Measurement nilagay dito sa neck. So we have the adult sides. Here, the front adult. We're gonna put this thing like here. That. Okay, sa neck. Okay guys, ganun na po ka-easy gumawa ng t-shirt sublimation, okay? So, for the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make photo slates and then the mags, personalized mags, and then the photo prints. This is the photo prints, guys. I'm gonna show you how to create them. And then notebooks, how to personalize notebooks, and phone cases, and many more, okay? So don't forget to hit the subscribes and likes so you can follow me for the next tutorials. And if you have some questions, just let me know in the comment sections and I will try my best to answer everyone. Okay guys, so that's all our video for today, and thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Lagi tandaan na ang ating buhay ay nakasalalay. Kung ano man ang ginagawa natin ngayon, yan ang resulta ng ating kinabukasan. Kaya huwag magtamad-tamad, kumilos ka na at gumawa ka na ng paraan para kumita. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channels. This is my new, para naman sa next video ko, ma-notify ko kayo, okay? So, okay guys. Ano muna kahit mga 1 minutes para magluto yung paint sa damit, okay? Sa heat press nyo. And then, hopefully may also design guys for templates and also for photo prints. Mga photo prints nyo, calendars, and photo slates, and hey! And then mags, okay?
You missed going to the swimming pool.
Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching, and that's all for today, and it's time for family time! Wait. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you in my next video. And if you have something in mind for the next tutorial, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you everyone, and have a blessed day. See ya!